In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to find the derivative of a function by using a u substitution. And actually, a lot of people think that we're going to use a u substitution for integration only, but we also can use a u substitution for some specific derivative functions. So that's what we're going to do today. And we're going to do a lot of different type of examples that involve trig and square root. So let's get started. Well, actually, we don't have, that much formulas and stuff like that. So I'm gonna just rush into the examples and I'm gonna illustrate to you by using some examples. So the first example says that 3x plus 2 the power of 5. So what I want to do in this type of example is actually this one's the easiest and it's also the best one to describe or to illustrate. So what I want to do is just I want to take this whole thing and I want to just represent this whole thing by u. So well, u will be or u equals to 3x plus 2. So now it means that I can substitute this whole thing by u. So this will be u the power of 5. So u the power of 5, or when you derivate u the power of 5, you're gonna get what? You're gonna get 5u the power of 4. So now it means that I can, substitute it back to u, or just let me just uh, write it all thing. So when you just write this whole thing, you're gonna get 3x plus 2 the power of 5. But we're not done yet. We also gonna have to derivate the thing that's found in the inside of this part. When we derivate this 3x plus 2, or when you derivate the u, you're gonna get 3. So you're gonna have to multiply this whole thing by 3. So what this means is when you just multiply 5 by 3, or this one by this one, you're gonna get 15. So it will be 15 the whole 3x plus 2 the power of 4 will be your last answer. So this is all you have to do. So the first thing is just substitute this whole thing by u, or means just 3x plus 2, and then derivate this 3x plus 2 and you're gonna get 3. And then after that, you're gonna have to derivate the power. So when you derivate the power, you get 5u the power of 4. And then you're gonna have to just substitute or just write this u. Or when you just write the u, you get this part. And then lastly, you're gonna have to multiply that one by the derivative of the u, or by the derivative of the thing that's found in the inside. So that's the whole process for this specific example. So now let's do just some critical examples. Okay, so when you count to the second one, we're just gonna, use the same procedure. So I'm gonna say u, or u is equals to x squared minus 2. So the derivative of this whole thing will be what? It will be 2x. I'm gonna use this later. So, and this one will be u to the 1 over 2. Square root is equal to 1 over 2. Now I'm gonna derivate this thing, so I'm gonna get 1 over 2 the whole u the power of negative 1 over 2. So I can bring this whole thing down and I'm gonna get rid of this negative. So it will be what? It will be 1 over 2 the whole in the square root of u. So it means that I don't have any square root now. I don't have any negative now. So now I can substitute the u and then multiply by the 2x. So my last answer will be what? It will be 1 over 2, and my u value is actually x squared minus 2. Then you're gonna have to multiply that by 2x. So when 2x times by 1, you're gonna get 2x over 2 root x squared minus 2. So it means that I can cancel these 2's, and my last answer will be x over root x squared minus 2. So now let's do the third one. So seems like we don't have that much space, so let me erase this whole thing and I'm gonna write the answer for you up there, or just right over here. So my answer is x over root x squared minus 2. So now let's do the third one. So now I want you guys to try the third one, and since this is easy and since you know the process, I want you guys to stop the video and try the third one. So I'm just gonna say that u, let me just do it over here. So u is equal to cos x. So I'm gonna say u is equal to cos x, and then now it means that I can substitute u as as cos x. So will be when you derivate this thing, you're gonna get 5u to the 4. And then now, what I want to do now is I just want to, you know, derivate the u. So when you derivate the u, you're gonna get minus sine x. And then now it's all about substitution. So let me just substitute u, or let me just write the u. So it will be cos x to the 4 times by minus sine x. So this will be my this will be my answer, but I also can simplify it if I want to. This will be 5 times by minus sine x, or this one times by this whole thing will be what? It will be minus 5 sine, minus 5 sine x, and then cos x, the power 4. This will be my simplified form of the last question. So this will be my last answer. I can do it this way if I want to. So this is it. This is all you have to do, or this is the process and also the way you use this u substitution. So this is it for this video, and thanks for watching and have a good day.